What if one small, ordinary thing you ate before 8 a.m. could make your legs act 10 years younger? Imagine standing up from a chair without bracing yourself, climbing a few steps without hesitating, or walking to the mailbox with confidence, all because of a simple breakfast habit. It sounds dramatic, but the truth is, the first meal you eat after a long night of sleep has a huge power over your leg strength, balance, and the slow, silent muscle loss many people call just getting old. Stick with me. I'll show you 5 easy breakfasts that protect and rebuild leg muscle, and I'll reveal the unglamorous dish that many older adults overlook every morning, yet is one of the most powerful allies for leg health. Let's start with the basic problem. After age 60, most people lose muscle mass faster than they realize. It creeps up quietly. You wake up, and your legs feel a little heavier. Your steps shorten. You reach for the armrest to stand. These small changes add up. The legs contain the body's largest muscles: thighs, calves, glutes. And when they weaken, everything else changes. Balance declines. Walking speed drops. Falls become more likely. And daily tasks become harder. The worst part is this often doesn't hurt. Because it's painless, many people ignore it until it limits their life. Why morning matters so much is simple biology. Your body spends 7 to 9 hours fasting while you sleep. If you wake up and don't refuel, your body may start using muscle tissue for energy. For older adults who already build new muscle more slowly, even a single skipped breakfast can tip the day toward muscle breakdown instead of repair. That's why the right foods in the first hour after waking can change the balance from losing muscle to building muscle. I want to be clear. This isn't about expensive supplements or miracle powders. It's about real foods you can get at any market. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through 5 specific breakfasts that support leg strength, reduce nighttime cramps, improve circulation, and help you move with far more confidence. These meals are practical, affordable, and simple to prepare. I'll also explain a tiny morning ritual that magnifies their benefits, something most people always ignore, but it can have immediate effects on how your legs feel. Before the list, meet David. He's 69, worked in construction for decades, and thought leg weakness was something that happened with age. Mornings became slow. He felt stiff stepping out of bed. One day, he nearly tripped getting the paper. That moment made him pay attention. He stopped skipping breakfast and started eating targeted foods that supplied protein, minerals, and slow energy. Within weeks, his nighttime leg cramps eased. Within months, his first steps were lighter, and he was back to walking longer distances. No surgery, no gym membership, just a few changes at breakfast. David's story is exactly the kind of comeback that's possible for many people. Now, here are the 5 breakfasts you should try. Whole eggs. The fastest muscle support you can eating the whole egg every morning is one of the simplest and most effective ways to protect leg muscle. Eggs provide complete protein, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair and build muscle. The yolk contains vitamin D, B12, choline, and other nutrients that support nerve signaling and muscle synthesis. For older adults, these nutrients help the neuromuscular system communicate efficiently, so your legs move smoothly and reliably. Boiled eggs are perfect, cooked, portable, and nutrient-dense. But a quick scramble with fresh spinach or diced tomato adds antioxidants and magnesium, both helpful for muscle and circulation. Aim to eat an egg within 30 to 60 minutes of waking. 1 whole egg a day is a strong, practical defense against early leg weakness. Oatmeal with chia seeds. Steady energy and mineral support oatmeal gives your legs the steady fuel they need without causing a sugar spike. The beta-glucan fiber in oats reduces inflammation, stabilizes blood glucose, and helps your muscles make better use of the protein you eat. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds and you get omega-3s, calcium, magnesium, and potassium, minerals that keep muscles contracting correctly and help prevent cramps. Magnesium is especially useful for reducing the nighttime spasms that wake many older adults. Cook a small bowl of rolled oats, stir in chia seeds, and top with a few berries or sliced banana for flavor and an antioxidant boost. Eat this within an hour of waking to stabilize your morning metabolism and support leg recovery. A banana, Nature's electrolyte boost bananas are often joked about, but they're truly a compact powerhouse for muscle function. Rich in potassium and vitamin B6, a single banana helps maintain the electrical balance that drives muscle contractions. When potassium is low, muscles misfire and cramp more easily, especially overnight. Many older adults take medications or eat diets that deplete electrolytes, so a banana first thing can be an easy safety step. If you need to watch blood sugar or have kidney issues, talk to your doctor about portion size or choose a slightly underripe banana to limit sugar. But for most people, a medium banana in the morning is a quick way to reduce cramps, support steady muscle function, and keep your legs behaving predictably throughout the day. Plain Greek yogurt. Slow-release protein for the overnight repair window. Greek yogurt is a standout breakfast for anyone who wants to prevent muscle breakdown after sleep. It's high in protein, especially casein, which digests slowly and supplies amino acids over several hours. That slow delivery helps stop muscle catabolism and supports ongoing repair. Greek yogurt also typically provides calcium and sometimes vitamin D, factors that help bone strength and neuromuscular coordination. Pick plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars that can drive inflammation. Add a handful of nuts or berries and a sprinkle of cinnamon for flavor and extra nutrients. Many seniors who add a cup of Greek yogurt to their morning routine notice better strength and fewer cramps within a few weeks. Fatty fish, twice a week for anti-inflammatory, muscle-friendly fats. If you can include a portion of fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines twice a week at breakfast, you'll get a powerful combination. High-quality protein plus omega-3 fats. EPA and DHA reduce chronic inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and help muscle tissue take up and use protein more efficiently. These effects are especially helpful for older adults who experience slow muscle recovery and heightened inflammation around joints and muscles. A simple pan-seared salmon fillet with a side of steamed vegetables or a small sweet potato delivers an array of nutrients that help legs recover and stay strong. If cooking fish at breakfast isn't practical, smoked salmon or a quality fish oil supplement are useful alternatives, though whole foods are preferable when possible. And now, the small dish I promised, the one nearly everyone ignores, but which can make a meaningful difference. Steamed sweet potato lightly sprinkled with natural mineral salt. It sounds too plain to matter, but it's the simplicity that makes it powerful. Sweet potato provides complex carbohydrates that refill muscle glycogen without spiking blood sugar. It's also rich in potassium, magnesium, manganese, and vitamin C, nutrients that support circulation, cellular repair, and muscle contraction. The magnesium helps muscles relax after activity, reducing cramps. A pinch of natural mineral salt, such as Celtic or Himalayan salt, adds trace minerals and helps with electrolyte balance in a gentle way when used sparingly. Try half a steamed sweet potato with a light dusting of natural salt about 10 minutes before your main breakfast or alongside it. Many people notice less nighttime cramping and a steadier start to the day after a few mornings of this habit. Food alone isn't the whole story. A few brief morning routines magnify the benefits of these breakfasts and set the stage for stronger legs all day. First, hydrate right when you wake. A glass of warm water with a small pinch of natural mineral salt helps restore fluids and electrolytes after a long fast. This is an easy and safe way to wake up circulation and reduce the morning heaviness in your legs. Second, do a 3-minute balance and activation practice. Stand near a chair and lift 1 foot 2 to 4 inches off the floor. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch. Repeat 5 times per side. This tiny practice primes the muscles in your calves, thighs, hips, and ankles and sharpens proprioception, your brain's sense of where your limbs are in space. Improved proprioception leads to fewer stumbles and steadier standing when you get up from a chair. Third, rise slowly. Take 3 deep breaths. Roll your ankles and wrists and sit up for a moment before standing. This gentle start prevents lightheadedness and reduces the chance of a sudden loss of balance. Fourth, soak up a few minutes of morning light. Low-dose sun exposure helps vitamin D production, supports bone health, and complements the nutrient benefits of your breakfast. Fifth, don't go hungry for long. If you can't manage a full meal immediately, eat something small, half a boiled egg, a spoonful of Greek yogurt, or a piece of banana. That quick action stops the body from moving into a catabolic state and begins muscle repair instead. You've heard the 5 breakfasts and the tiny rituals. Let's summarize why this helps. Your legs are big, metabolically important muscles that require consistent building blocks and regular signals to stay strong. Protein and essential minerals at the start of the day tell your body not to burn muscle for energy. Anti-inflammatory fats and slow carbohydrates reduce damage and give your muscles fuel for recovery. The small morning habits prime circulation, reduce cramps, and help you move with confidence. A few practical tips to make this work in real life. Prepare boiled eggs in batches so they're ready in the fridge. Make a jar of overnight oats with chia seeds and fruit the night before. Keep a supply of Greek yogurt and frozen salmon fillets for quick mornings. Steam a few sweet potato halves on the weekend and refrigerate them. Reheat as needed. Small planning makes these changes effortless and sustainable. Now I want to hear from you. If you had to choose just one breakfast for tomorrow morning to support your leg health, which would you pick? Put your answer in the comments. Your choice could inspire someone else who's struggling with leg weakness right now. Before you go, remember this. Protecting your legs doesn't require dramatic measures. It doesn't require expensive pills or a gym membership. It begins with small, consistent choices at the kitchen table and a couple of minutes of mindful movement. Change the first meal of your day, and you change how your legs age. If this felt useful, please like the video and subscribe for more practical, science-minded tips that help seniors stay strong and independent. In the next episode, I'll show 3 popular morning foods that sound healthy but quietly undermine muscle and cause cramps for many older adults. Don't let a well-intentioned breakfast choice undo your progress. Thank you for watching.